Here's how to do face or body tracking in CapCut. If you have a video and want to track someone's face, body, or an object, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now open CapCut, hit New Project, and add your video. I'll walk you through tracking my face as I move left and right. You can also track a body, hand, ball, car, or any other object. First, tap on the video to select it. Then, swipe through the bottom menu and find Camera Tracking. Tap it, and you'll see options for face, body, hands, or custom tracking. Select Face, then tap Track, and it will automatically add keyframes to follow your face. Now you'll see that my face stays centered in the frame. However, at times a blur effect may appear if there isn't enough space around it. To fix this, choose Fit Canvas to adjust the zoom while keeping the face centered. You can also keep the face size the same and tweak the blur settings as needed. Once done, tap the check mark to confirm. If you want, you can edit keyframes, adjust tracking settings, or tap Retrack to redo it. For full control, use custom tracking to manually refine the effect. And that's it. For more tutorials, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.